Greetings everyone, welcome to Is Perfect Business YouTube channel. Today we'll be teaching you people on how to make a palm kernel oil known as red oil business. Business is one of the lucrative business we have among business ideas. So please, if you want to know how to make palm kernel from home, you can also watch this video to the end and know how you can do your palm kernel at home. You stop buying from companies. You will do it at home and sell it from your shop or market and so. So please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and drop your comment below. Thank you.
So guys, this is how you cut the palm fruit. Are you seeing it? You have to cut. After you finish cutting it like this, you pick them. You pick it away from the stems. You pick it. Then when you pick it, to give you something like this. Can you guys see it? This is the palm fruit. Can you see it? This is the one that will give you oil. So from here now, we'll show you the next step, how we are going to cook it. So from there, you learn, please. So guys, can you see it? We have already put it on fire. This one is done. It's already good to pound. Let's see inside. So guys, can you guys see it? You see, very soft. So it's like this when it's already done. It's soft. Your hand can be able to easily open it. So you understand? You can easily open it. So we are going to pound it now. This is what we are going to pound. You pound it to be smooth. This is the palm kernel. Sure you see it. They are going to be pounding it until it's smooth. So guys, you pound until it's smooth. Can you see it? It's already smooth like this. You don't use your hand anyhow. Don't touch it because it's oil. It's meant for people to eat. So that's why I cannot put my hand on it. So hope you guys are seeing it. So they'll remove it from this mortar, and here is it. They have removed it from the mortar into the bowl. So it's already in the bowl now. This is where they'll pour water on and start washing it. So guys, they have to pour water on that one. So you see the way they mixed it. Are you guys seeing it? That was inside the mortar. So she used the pistol to turn it. This work is not easy, but this is how we do it to extract oil from it. So you keep turning it with the pistol. So guys, so you see the way we are washing the oil, right? We have to remove the shaft from it, and you see she'll be packing it very soon, packing the oil out from the water. But first you have to remove this shaft that is in her hand. Watch the way she's doing it. So guys, she's packing the oil out from it. Can you see it? Can you see the oil? So the water is going to follow it too. It's going to follow it. When they cook it, you see how it looks like. The water will go down and don't worry, you guys should just watch. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Comment, drop your comments, ask questions. So guys, are you seeing it? They've already put it on fire. If you notice, from the side, you'll be seeing the oil coming out. They are going to cook it like 2 times, so they are putting it in fire already. After here, they will pack the oil out, then they will like put it second time again so that the oil will be okay. So guys, we are packing the oil. This handmade oil, not engine. So guys, they are finished packing the oil. See it here, red oil. So we have cleaned the pot back again. It's using that chaff to clean it. So here is the red oil. Are you seeing the other one that will remove? Mommy, red oil the throw away. She's still drilling from inside. So this one you do it gently. You see them again like that. Here we have butter in spoon. You see it is okay. It is already okay. Here in Africa it's called palm oil, handmade. Handmade. This one is not engine made or whatever. This is handmade. This one is going down. second time from the fire. So it's already okay. You guys are seeing it. Beautiful like this. We are done with the oil. Then